Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech Captain. In this video, I'm going to tell you about iPhone original display. So how you can check this original display of iPhone if you buy a new iPhone or a used iPhone. So let's start the video. The first thing you probably know already as well, it is True Tone. If you check True Tone of your iPhone, if the True Tone is not working, if it is disabled, then you can consider it as a not as a original display. But nowadays, displays are coming with True Tone enabled, but they are fake as well. So the second way is most authentic and a good way to check your iPhone's if display is original or not. Moving toward the second way to check original display of iPhone, you have to open settings in your iPhone, then scroll down and open general. And here you can see in the about section, tap on about and open it, and you can see here display. My display is genuine Apple part. My display is actually changed, but it is a genuine Apple part. If your display is changed and there is no written that it is a genuine Apple part, here will be written that the display is changed or display is unknown part. Here will be written that unknown part. So if your display is not original, or your iPhone display is not original, then you can see here unknown part written in this display section. By this way, you can easily check your iPhone display is original or not. There is another way as well to check your iPhone coverage and check that your complete iPhone is original or not. So copy the serial number of your iPhone and then go to the Safari browser. Here, search coverage, Apple coverage. And this first website, open it and paste the serial number of your iPhone. When you paste the serial number of iPhone, all the information related to your iPhone comes in this website. So you can check here from this website that your iPhone is totally genuine or not. So by these methods, you can check your iPhone's display and also the complete iPhone authenticity. So that's it for the video. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Tech Captain, and I will see you in the next one.